Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Vantage in Apex Legends. Vantage excels at long-range engagements, offering unparalleled reconnaissance and precision. Her unique abilities allow you to spot enemies from afar, provide crucial intel to your squad, and deliver devastating blows with her custom sniper rifle. We'll cover her passive, tactical, and ultimate abilities, showing you how to integrate them seamlessly into your gameplay for a significant competitive edge. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with pinpoint accuracy and strategic foresight. Vantage's passive ability, Spotter's Lens, is incredibly powerful for long-range engagements. When aiming down sights with a scope of 2 times magnification or higher, you'll see enemy shield rarity and bullet drop indicators, making your shots much more accurate. Her tactical ability, Echo Relocation, lets you send out your bat companion, Echo, up to 40 meters. Once Echo is in position, you can launch yourself to his location, gaining a significant height advantage or escaping dangerous situations quickly. This combination makes her a master of positioning, and now let's walk through the actual pairing process. Open the Wix Watch application on your phone and look for an option like Add New Device or Connect Watch. The app will then scan for nearby Wix watches. Once your watch appears in the list, select it. You'll likely receive a pairing request on both your watch and your phone. Simply confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. To truly master Vantage, always seek the high ground and open sightlines. Her kit thrives in situations where she can maintain distance and provide overwatch. Constantly communicate enemy shield levels and mark targets to your teammates, as this intel is crucial for coordinated pushes. Practice using Echo Relocation not just for repositioning, but also for quick flanks or escaping sticky situations. Remember, her ultimate is excellent for softening up targets before your team engages. With practice, you'll become an invaluable asset to any squad, dominating the battlefield with precision and strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.